Hey Nathan,
Hi.
are you excited when I'm about to show you? Why not?
Because I've learned about fire safety a million times.
But he's never seen this video. Today I'm going to show Nathan Seymour Smoke Detector. You ready, Nathan?
Sure.
Let's get on to Seymour Smoke Detector.
Who are you? Seymour Smoke Detector. The more smoke I see, the more noise I make. And I see more smoke coming from that toaster.
I forgot what his name is.
Gilbert Gottfried?
Yeah, the one that plays like the parrot and stuff.
Aladdin?
Yeah, parrot from Aladdin, and then from I forgot what the movie's called.
He's in Problem Child.
Yeah, that's it. He was like the teacher and stuff, wasn't he?
Principal.
Principal.
How many smoke detectors do you have in your home? Count them. Is there one outside your bedroom? There should be. Tell your parents. Be cool about fire safety. So whenever I see.
Okay, Nathan, what'd you learn? Would that scare you if you're in your house and the smoke detector just started talking to you and lecturing you?
Yes. No,
Would you remain calm?
I'd probably rip it out. I don't want nothing talking to me.
If that was me, and that probably would have scared the crap out of me. But that is a funny commercial, though. Well, actually, there's a whole video to it, but that's just like the commercial that's shown on TV, I guess. So if he just started talking to you right now, what would you do?
I don't know. And there's nothing you can really do, like, besides rip it out.
Cue the more you know.